துணிவதெல்லாம் உன் செயலே, தொடர்வதெல்லாம் உன் நினைவே. துணிவதெல்லாம் உன் செயலே, தொடர்வதெல்லாம் உன் நினைவே. தணிவதெல்லாம் என் நவமே.
வேறெங்கும் கற்க முடியாது. நீ பாலகனிடம், அதாவது அடிகளாரிடம் கற்றுக்கொள்ள முடியாததை வேறு எங்கும் சென்று கற்றுக்கொள்ள முடியாது.
What you cannot learn from my beloved son Adigalar, you cannot learn anywhere else.
Om Shakti. Man, quite evolved in the material realm, never settles, and in the thirst to gather, moves about without a sense of direction or purpose, and consequently loses his inner calm. A poor mind that breaks down due to material or spiritual challenges needs support, and it is this support and strength a guru provides. Ted was wandering frantically, searching for a convenience store. He finally inquired a passerby for directions. The passerby told Ted, if you keep pursuing in the same direction as you are headed, it would be 100 miles away. Ted felt more weary at the reply. The passerby, with mischief in his eyes, continued, but if you turn around to head in the opposite direction, you can spot it in less than half a mile. This is the same with spirituality. The spiritual path is an unfamiliar terrain to most, and it is a guru who, like a GPS, can give directions. The guru not only shows the path, but also walks along at all times. Just like a teacher in school guides a child in studies, a spiritual guru guides us in our spiritual path. However, with a difference. A teacher gives you what you require. A guru takes away what you do not require. A teacher answers your questions and takes responsibility for your growth. A guru questions your answers and makes you responsible for your growth. A teacher helps you discover your identity and prepares you for the outer journey. A guru disregards your identity and prepares you for the inner journey. A teacher requires obedience and discipline and may punish you with a stick. A guru requires trust and humility and will punish you with compassion. And a teacher is to a pupil what a father is to his son. A guru is to a disciple what a mother is to her child. Our spiritual guru Bangaru Amma, a divine incarnation and the speaking voice of Mother Adiparashakti, has been bestowing us with unconditional love and support, also helping us face life with clarity and wisdom. The Divine Mother in one of her oracles says, hold on to spirituality, follow the philosophy of total surrender, hold on to Adigalar, feel proud you are living in the period of Adigalar, listening to his gracious discourses. You will later realize the greatness of serving Adigalar and gaining his divine gaze. Bangaru Amma, a beacon of light, ensures we don't feel lost. And Amma, a beacon of hope, ensures we do not give up in despair. Words cannot express how much Amma has been doing for her devotees in the last 50 years. The untiring instructions of Bangaru Amma during the pandemic certainly bears testimony to this. When we surrender to the lotus feet of Bangaru Amma, abide by his words with firm determination and sincerity, follow his every directive with utmost faith and humility, we then become worthy of his choicest blessings and grace, that in turn shall help us progress on the path ahead. Om Shakti.
ஓம் சக்தி பராசக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தியே பராசக்தியே ஓம் சக்தியே ஆதிபராசக்தியே ஓம் சக்தியே மதுரரசியே ஓம் சக்தியே ஓம் ஓம் சக்தியே ஓம் காமாட்சியே ஓம் காமாட்சியே 81வது அவதார திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் அம்மா. Happy birthday அம்மா.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.